Darling, 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 da da darling, darling, da 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 darling. Hi everybody, I'm Teal and welcome to pronunciation workshop session 12. This session covers tongue twisters. First of all, I will talk to you about three vowels: F, W, W, and Z voiced Z. Example: Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? Next, there is verse. Vincent vowed vengeance very viciously. Next, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Faster. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Yes. Next, there is three sounds: sh, s, and z. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely seashells. So, if she sells shells on the seashore, I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Faster. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely seashells. So if she sells shells on the seashore, I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Next, this w, ch, and final consonants. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck and could chuck wood. Faster. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck wood as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Which, wished, wicked, wish. While we were walking, we were watching window washers wash Washington's windows with warm washing water. If two witches would watch two watches, which would what which watch? Faster. Which wished, which wicked, wish. While we were walking, we were watching window washer wash Washington windows with warm washing water. If two witches would watch two watches, which would watch which watch? Next, these are sound. Robert ran rings around the Roman ruins. Robert ran rings around the Roman ruins. Next, B, 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 and B blends. Bradley big black bath brush broke. Bradley big black bath brush broke. Bradley's big black bath brush broke. Next, this sound. Tom threw 13 thumbtacks. He threw 3 free throws. There are 33,000 birthdays on the 3rd of every month. The father gathered small feathers for Thanksgiving. The 6th graders are enthusiastic about Jonathan's birthday. Next is GR and G brands. Green grass grow greenly. Green grass grow greenly. Next, this vowel. Aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum. Next, there is won't. I would if I could, but I can't, so I won't. I would if I could, but I can't, so I won't. Next, there's work. I work, he work, she work, they work, we all work out. I work, he work, she work, they work, we all work out. So that's the end of this session with tongue twisters. So it's so interesting, right? And now, see you soon.